Want to know how to remove profile picture from Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove profile picture from Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your Threads profile. Now tap on the edit profile option right beside the share profile. Here you can see different options. Tap on your profile icon. A menu will appear. Tap on the remove current picture option at the bottom. Furthermore, tap on the done button at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can remove profile picture from Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.